In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the status in Zoho projects. Changing a task status is one of those small actions that can really keep your projects organized and your team on the same page. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the fastest and most efficient way to update a task status directly from your project view without opening extra windows or digging through menus. First, start by opening the project where your task lives. Once you're inside that project, look toward the top of the screen for the Tasks tab. This is usually one of the main options in the project navigation bar. Go ahead and click on Tasks. This will bring you to a list of all tasks associated with that specific project. Now take a moment to locate the task you want to update. If you're working with a long list, you can make this easier by using filters or the search bar, if available, to quickly narrow down the task list. You might filter by assignee, due date, or status, depending on how your project is organized. Once you find the task, focus your attention on the status column in that same row. Instead of opening the entire task details, the quickest method is to work directly in that status column. You'll see the current status displayed there, something like open, to be started, or another label that your project uses. Move your mouse to that status label and click directly on it. This is an inline edit, meaning you're making changes right from the list view. As soon as you click on the status name, a drop-down menu should appear. This menu will show you all the available status options configured for tasks in your project. Take a second to choose the one that best represents the current state of the work. For example, you might change it from open to in progress, or from in progress to completed, depending on what's appropriate. Once you click the new status, Zoho projects will update it immediately. There's usually no need to save separately. The change happens right away. This simple inline update is ideal when you're reviewing multiple tasks and quickly moving them through different stages, and that's all there is to it. By opening your project, going to the Tasks tab, locating your task, clicking directly on its current status, and selecting a new one from the drop-down, you can keep your project board accurate and up to date in just a few seconds.